dragon. So we'll show you in a moment how to get into this pose. This opens up the upper body and might provide some relief for lower back pain. We're just adding a rotation in from a dragon flying low position. So the only prop you may, or the prop you may want to consider with this one, is having some support or block or bolster under the right forearm in this particular pose that Tanya's doing. If you've got issues with your knee, you may wish to put some cushioning under your knee. So in Twisted Dragon, one hand pushes the front knee to the side like a winged dragon, while the chest rotates up towards the sky. You're rotating the thoracic part of the spine in particular up towards the sky. How to get into the pose. So we start off from quadruped. Hopefully you're familiar with dragon flying low. So step forward with one leg and you're lowering down, 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 right the way down. That's it. So you're trying to get your forearms onto the floor. Now, with the left leg forward, the left hand goes onto that left knee and gently just persuades it to go out to the side as you rotate the torso and the spine up towards the ceiling. Now, this is particularly challenging for Tanya for the length of her body and limbs. So she needs, and I use the term needs, some support under that supporting forearm, just to bring it a little bit higher up. Super. It's almost like you're adding your dragon flying low with winged dragon, and you're adding in that extra rotation of the spine. In particular, it's a visualization. You're rotating the thoracic part of the spine, the thoracic, your chest, up towards the heavens, up towards the ceiling. And that was Twisted Dragon.